Yo, what up, your boy Melvin. So today we will be reviewing this voice changer. So it's a mobile phone voice changer. It can change your voice. There are a lot of options that you have in here, and you also have sound effects. So it's really small. I think it's gonna be as big as a credit card, but a little bit thicker than a credit card. And then that's how you check it out. I mean, there is a headset jack connect to the phone, and then charging port for the OTG. Now we're gonna connect this to a speaker so that you will know how this sounds like. And then I'll be using a small microphone. It's a condenser microphone to have this connected. Hello. So we are currently connected to this mobile phone voice changer, and I'm gonna give you the effects and the other stuff that is included on this device. So for beautify the voice, there are four. So this is the original, and then if we
This at the bottom, this is robot. So this is like a robot. Let's say you are talking to someone over messenger or over a phone call, you can change your voice so that they wouldn't recognize you.
Now another one is magnetic. So that's how magnetic sounds like. And then another one is
Queen. This is the queen. The queen brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
and then we also have a effect for male to females. So this is how
It sounds like. So if you are a man, your voice will be like a woman. And then we also have female to male.
This is female to male.
We have Lolita. I don't know what Lolita is, but it shrinks your voice. And then Minions. This is Minions. So if you know the show, the Minions, the small cartoon characters, so this is the Minions. And now let's go to live broadcast.
So for live broadcast, we have ATV. So it's like singing on a karaoke TV. And then we also have DJ. So for DJ, I think for DJ this is like auto-tune. So let's take a look at that. Okay, and we also have phonograph. So it's like the old music player that is the phonograph. And then we have studio. So studio, I'm not sure, it really sounds like an auto-tune effect as well, but that's how it is. Now let's go for the normal voice, and then I'm gonna tell you or let you listen to the sound effects. So the first one is the cold field. So the cold field is like someone making a joke, but it isn't funny. That's what you press on. And then countdown.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
And then we have show up. So if a person comes out or if a person shows up, so that's the effect that you press on. And then applause. And then we also have kiss. So that's kiss. And then laughter. So if someone makes a joke and it's funny, so you press on laughter. And then cheers. If someone did good, something good, okay, this is what you press. And then surprise. It's like what? What? And then that's it. There is a volume control and fine tuning. This is if you want to change your voice more, and that's how you press it. So I think that's it. This is your boy Melvin, and I'm out.